Okay, so we're going to do a quick test here. Right now I have my window air conditioner plugged in, but it's not turned on. I have the fans off, and I'm going to go yell at my son to go ahead and hit the button on the air conditioner, and we'll see if we trigger an alarm here. Okay, Blake. Well, I could definitely hear, alright, I could definitely hear the transformer in there. Could definitely hear that transformer in there powering up, so yeah, cool. It works just fine, and there was not an alarm, but I would not expect one when you have two big, huge main boards and one big, huge transformer, so pretty cool.